So let me show y'all something real fast. Can you look under here and tell where this car's been? Because right now I'm looking at stuff that's gonna have to be changed, like right now. So started doing the brakes on this side, and some said look up. And I normally look up under here first while I even touch anything, but everything's leaking, everything's busted. Be careful where y'all buy these cars at. And if you know nothing about a car, have somebody go with you when you go looking at them. This side, I don't even have to explain it. If you work on cars, you kind of see where I'm about to go with this. And me personally, I don't even want to touch it, which makes it another issue about how far can you push a car before you actually want to just say, you know what, I'm done putting money into it. But it all depends on the owner, what they want to do from this point. But if anything changes, I'll be sure to let y'all know.